Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at our quiz problem here. It says solve the inequality and graph the solution. So here is the problem. And if you haven't tried it, maybe you want to pause video and see if you can do it before we take a look at the solution. All right, let's see what we have here. So basically what we want to do with this inequality, okay, so here's our original problem. What we want to do is to rewrite this inequality in a very simple or the simplest form. Okay, so here's the answer. It's going to end up being x is greater than 1/2. And let's actually talk about the answer in its graph real quick. So this means x, all x's that are greater than 1/2 are all numbers x that are greater than 1/2. So what you have to do is plot 1/2 on a number line and draw an arrow, a line, in a direction of all numbers that are greater than 1/2, and that's to the right of 1/2. Now if you notice here, this circle at 1/2 is open. Okay, we do that when the graph or with the inequality is not an equal to situation. If it was an equal to, we would fill this in, but it's not. Okay, so it's going to be an open circle at 1/2. All right, let's go ahead and quickly talk about the steps that we took to get here. I do want to say, in order to take on these problems, you really need to have mastered how to solve equations. So if you're struggling with this, you're probably likely, had trouble solving equations. So let's just talk about the solution here. So we have 6 times x minus 3 greater than negative 15. So the first thing you want to do is do the distributive property. You can see here that leaves me with 6x minus 18. And then I'm just taking the same basic steps as if I was going to solve an equation. All right, I'm going to add 18 to both sides, and it leaves me with 6x is greater than 3, and then I'm going to divide both sides by 6. It leaves me with x is greater than 6 or 3 over 6, which is 1/2. And there you go. All right, so hopefully you understood that. And of course, if you don't, you want to go back and review. And if you want to take more pop quizzes with me, and I hope you do, especially if you're a homeschooler, jump on over to homeschoolmathquiz.com. Have a great day.